How to hide photos on Android and even hide the hidden album. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to locate Photos or Gallery app on your Android phone and tap to launch it. And after that, let me choose a particular photo that I wanna hide. Long press on particular photo. At the bottom, you will see variety of options. Simply you need to select Set as Private. Now here you simply need to select an OK button. To view this hidden file, you can simply go to Albums option and then go to Private, or simply you can hit towards the setting, then select Permissions and Privacy and go to Private Save. So let's tap on OK button. Now that particular photo has already been hidden from this section. So if you wish to even hide your hidden album, then you can hit towards the three dots. But before that, you can tap on albums at bottom center. And simply you can easily view the hidden album by saying the or here is the private section. You can tap on it and look your hidden photos. But if you want to hide this private or hidden album, then you can navigate to the three dots at top right, select settings option, and then toggle the button off for show private album. When you come back here, you will no longer see the hidden album. So in this way, you can easily hide photos on Android and even hide the hidden album. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.